Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you my honest review, and I hope I will be able to highlight all the pros and cons of this product. So let's begin.
I've spent years in the trenches of industrial painting, and I can confidently say that Imron industrial paint from Axalta Coating Systems is a game changer. As someone who's battled corrosion, fading, and wear on heavy machinery, I know how crucial it is to get the coating right. That's why I'm excited to look into the details of this incredible product, exploring its benefits, applications, and what sets it apart from the rest. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance solution for your industrial coating needs, you're in the right place. As a seasoned fleet manager or heavy machine painter, you know the struggle is real. Corrosion, fading, and wear can bring your operations to a grinding halt. But what if I told you there's an unbelievable solution that'll make those problems disappear? Introducing Imron Industrial Paint in the Tucson area from Axalta Coating Systems, the exclusive coating that'll take your machinery to the next level. This amazing coating offers unparalleled protection, durability, and color retention. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to apply. But here's the twist. Most people don't know how to unlock its full potential. That's where I come in to share my expertise and help you get the most out of Imron, located in the Tucson area. So, are you ready to revolutionize your industrial coating game? Try this out by calling 882-8898 and drop a comment with your results. Trust me, your machinery and your boss will thank you. And if you don't, well, you'll be stuck in the rust belt forever. Just kidding. Kind of. Get coating, and let's get this machine rolling. Imron is a high-performance industrial paint from Axalta Coating Systems, offering exceptional durability and corrosion resistance. This industrial coating is specifically designed for heavy-duty applications, making it an ideal choice for fleet managers and heavy machine painters. Imron is formulated with advanced technology to provide a smooth, glossy finish that withstands the toughest environmental conditions.
Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you got a lot from it. I hope to see you soon.